In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a personal account on Wise. If you're looking to efficiently manage international money transfers or handle multiple currencies without the usual hassle, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get your personal account up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open the Wise website or app, depending on your preference. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a prompt asking you to select your email. Enter the email address you wish to associate with your new Wise account. Make sure it's an email you frequently use and have access to, since you'll receive important notifications there. As soon as you've entered your email, you will encounter a choice, whether to open a personal account or a business account. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on setting up a personal account. This option is perfect for individuals who want to transfer money abroad for personal use, such as paying for services, supporting family, or traveling. Next, you'll be asked to select the country of your residence. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be selecting UAE as our country. However, be sure to select the country where you are actually residing to ensure accuracy and compliance with any regional banking regulations. Once you've selected your country, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You will now be prompted to enter your phone number. Be sure to input your current, active mobile number. This step is essential as you will receive a verification code on this number, adding an extra layer of security to your account setup. After entering your number, click on the Send Verification Code button. Within moments, Wise will send a code to your phone. When you receive the verification code, go ahead and enter it into the space provided on your screen. This security measure helps confirm your identity, so be sure to enter it correctly. Following successful verification, carefully follow the on-screen prompts that will guide you through the remaining steps of setting up your account. One of the final steps in creating your personal Wise account involves setting a secure password. Choose a strong password combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This step is crucial for securing your financial transactions. Once you've picked a password that meets these criteria, you're all set to finalize the creation of your account. At this point, you have successfully signed up for a personal account with Wise. Now, whenever you want to access your account, just log in using the email and password you set earlier. Congratulations on setting up your Wise account. You're now ready to start transferring money internationally with ease and security. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on making the most of your Wise account in our next video.